Hello everybody, and welcome to a great auction. I have one auction set for Sleeping Santa, and the other auction is set for Mrs. Sleeping Santa. I'm just showing you what they look like side by side, but each one of these Santas and Mrs. Santa is separate in a separate auction. Here's Mr. Santa. As you can see, he goes up and down. They both have their boxes, very nice boxes. These are the large Santas, Mrs. Santa and Santa. Not the mini versions, these are like 23 inches long. And I still have them in their styrofoam, posts are in the styrofoam, so there's no damage. These are in great condition, and both whistle. I'll turn Mrs. Santa off so you can hear Mr. Santa. Too cute. You can grab these up at Petro's Divine Finds. Thank you for looking at our auction, and have a great day. Happy holidays.